The art of compromise in conflict resolution. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we will delve into an important aspect of behavioral interview questions, the concept of compromise. This approach is essential not only for interviews but also in our daily personal and professional lives. Let's explore how the art of compromising can be your key to managing conflicts effectively. When we speak of compromise, we're referring to a method of conflict resolution where both parties involved give up something in order to reach a mutual agreement. It's like a middle ground. Neither gets 100% of what they want, but both leave with a sense of achievement and satisfaction. Compromising is a significant skill because 1. Builds relationships. Compromise promotes trust and understanding. 2. Time-saving. It can result in quicker resolutions. 3. Promotes teamwork. Encourages collaborative work environments. 4. Versatility. Demonstrates adaptability and flexibility in diverse situations. When faced with a question about how you've handled conflict or difficult situations in past roles, highlighting a situation where compromise was used can be impressive. For instance, in my previous job, there was a dispute between the marketing and sales teams about the launch strategy for a new product. Instead of taking sides, I facilitated a meeting where both departments discussed their viewpoints. We compromised by merging key aspects of both strategies. This not only led to a successful product launch but also fostered better interdepartmental relationships. Improving your compromising skills can be achieved through 1. Active listening. Hear out all parties involved. 2. Empathy. Understand where the other person is coming from. 3. Open-mindedness. Be willing to change your viewpoint or strategy if it benefits the larger goal. 4. Communication. Clearly express your needs and concerns, but also be ready to understand others. In essence, compromising is an art, a balancing act that requires patience, understanding, and, above all, effective communication. As you prepare for your job interviews and encounter various situations in life, remember that finding a middle ground can sometimes lead to the best outcomes. We hope this video has shed light on the significance and application of compromise. Until next time, keep learning and growing.